Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 15. A balanced chemical equation is based on the law of A. Periodicity, B. Constant composition, C. Multiple proportion, D. Conservation of mass. So, the concept of writing balanced chemical equation is based on a particular law of chemical combination, and basically the laws of chemical combination are certain laws or principles guiding chemical reactions. So right here we have some laws of chemical combination. So let's see which of them that the law of or the balanced chemical equation is based on. So the law of periodicity, the first thing to note about this is not a law of chemical combination. So the law of periodicity states that the properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers. Option B, the law of constant composition, is also known as the law of definite proportion, and it states that all pure samples of a particular chemical compound contains similar elements in the same proportion by mass. So that is the law of constant composition or definite proportion. Now option C, the law of multiple proportions, states that if two elements A and B combine to form more than one compound, then the various masses of one element A which combines separately with a fixed mass of the other element B are in simple multiple ratio. Then lastly, the law of conservation of mass states that matter is neither created nor destroyed during chemical reactions, but changes from one form to another. So those are the laws given to us. Now, from the statements of the laws we have described here, option D, conservation of mass, accurately describes the reasons why chemical equations are balanced, because a balanced chemical equation depicts the same number of atoms of elements on each side. So if you have two atoms on this side, you have two atoms on the product side. So the number of atoms on each side of a balanced chemical equation are usually equal or the same, and this is due to the law of conservation of mass, because this shows that no atom or matter was not created or destroyed, but was transformed or was converted from one form to another in the process of the chemical reaction. So option D, the conservation of mass, the law of conservation of mass, is what balanced chemical equation is based on. Thank you, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.